Hi there! In this video I want to tell you what you should definitely do with roses so that they form flowers abundantly and bloom until the frost. Without stopping, we carry out this operation on roses throughout the season. Namely, you need to constantly cut off flowers that have already bloomed. These are the flowers that have fully opened and the petals have already begun to turn brown and are weakly held. Such a rose should be pruned in time, not allowing only the seed box to remain on the bush after all the petals have fallen off. If this is not done, the plant will not form new flowers on this shoot, but will begin to spend nutrients on seed ripening. And we don't need that. We need abundant flowering. We take a flower that has already faded and cut it off, thereby provoking the awakening of dormant buds in the upper internodes under the cut, and it is from them that new shoots with flowers will form. To prevent the flower from completely wilting, it is best to start pruning the rose when they have just begun to bloom, at a distance of 30 to 40 centimeters from the flower. This cut is ideal for putting the flower in a vase and enjoying it at home, and at the same time, we stimulate the plant to new shoots. If the rose bush is not tall, you can simply cut off the flower above the top leaf, and in the internodes under it, buds will wake up from which new shoots with flowers will appear. It doesn't matter whether you're cutting a 3 or 5-leafed leaf. Each internode has dormant buds that are activated after pruning. Usually 2 to 3 lower internodes under the cut wake up. The main thing to remember is that if you cut the rose too short, you will have to wait a long time for the buds to wake up and new shoots to appear, because only the old 5-leafed leaves will remain on the bush, which are already weak. Then the reflowering will occur only in the fall, but the bush will be short if that's what you need. And if you cut off only the flowers above the last leaf, as I show you, the bushes will be tall, lush, and flowering will not stop until the frost. To help roses grow new flowers faster after pruning, they need to be fertilized at least once every 2 weeks. The following fertilizers are best suited for this purpose. Potassium monophosphate contains phosphorus and potassium, which are very much needed by the plant right now. Dosage: 2 teaspoons per 10 liters of water or 1 tablespoon without a slide. Magnesium sulfate for quick absorption of the fertilizer. Dosage: 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon without a slide. Roses will accept this fertilization very quickly and will immediately begin to grow new shoots and flowers. So friends, be sure to take care of your roses and they will bloom continuously. If the information was useful to you, please like, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of new videos. Have a great day and see you in the next episodes.